Hello friends, this is Grace with the Multimedia Lab, and today we are going to learn how to create a panoramic picture in Lightroom. I'm sure many of us have taken a panoramic picture before. Lots of smartphones these days have that setting in their cameras. But that's not the only way we can make one. We can also use the photo merge function to create one. Let's get started. I have imported all these pictures of delicate arch into Lightroom. As I click through them, you can see that they are all snapshots of the same big area, slightly overlapping one another. This is perfect. We're going to go ahead and merge these photos into a panoramic picture. Our first step is to select all of the images we want to be in our panorama. To do that, I'm going to click on the first picture, and then, while holding down my Shift key, click the last picture. That will select all the pictures in between the first and last one. Next, we're going to right-click. That will bring up this menu. Let's go ahead and select the photo merge option and then the panorama option. As you can see, Lightroom gives us a nice preview of what our panorama is going to look like. Up here, we can select which projection we would like to see, a spherical one, a cylindrical one, or a perspective one. I personally prefer the spherical one, so I'm going to go ahead and go with that. We also have some other options. For example, we can ask Lightroom to fill in the edges of our photo. This works pretty well in some cases. Up here in the sky, for example, you can't even tell that it was initially missing part, but down here, you can see that it's actually repeated some of the rock. I don't really like that, so I'm going to go ahead and instead use the auto crop setting. With this setting, Lightroom just crops the picture for me nice and easy. I'm going to go ahead and click merge. Now, it'll take just a little bit. Lightroom's doing a lot of work for us, but if we give it just a couple seconds, there we go. You can see down here that our panoramic picture has been added, and there it is. One beautiful panoramic picture. Thanks for joining me today.